Hey friends, welcome to Premiere Friday with the Mercantile. This week we've been freshening up our house for fall, and tonight we're going to focus on the bathroom, the laundry room, and the kitchen, and the pantry, of course. First, we're going to start with the pantry. This pantry's open transfer is super usable for anywhere in your dining and eating area, even in your pantry. You can use this transfer on a container like we did here to store extra packets of sugar or tea or something like that, or you can hide your cookies in it too. That'd be a good spot after all the good stuff's in here. Next, you can put a cute sign above your pantry door or above any space in your kitchen or dining room area where you tend to store some food, because not everyone is blessed with a walk-in pantry, myself included. This transfer set also comes with this cute transfer that says yum, and there's also a spoon and a fork. So many fun things you can do with the set. Next, we're going to pretty up our laundry room. After all, washing and folding socks and underwear has to be glamorous somehow, right? We used our Endless Laundry Company transfer on our Odette board, squeegeeing over the whole thing in black velvet, and it is going to be super simple and super easy to create something fun for your laundry room. You can hang it above the doorway, put it in one of our easels. You could even put this on a laundry bag using our ink, and that could be, or a hamper using our ink, like a hamper bag. That would be super cute too. Something fun to make laundry a little more bearable. Next, we're going to freshen up the powder room or the bathroom or the commode, the john, whatever you call it. Make it fun and make it interesting. We're going to use this part of the transfer with ink on one of our cloth banners, one of our pennant banners. Super cute. And then we're going to use a wood circle and put this fun transfer on using paste, squeegeeing off the extra and putting it back into the pot. Hello, sweet cheeks. That's super cute. People will get a giggle out of that when they see that in your restroom. And then, of course, freshen up. This would be cute hung above towels in the bathroom, or you can hang it if you have the space above your sink. Very, very cute. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this week. Thanks so much for watching.